Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we are solidly in the fourth quarter of 2025. As you know, every year I do a fourth quarter challenge, and this is, in fact, the fifth consecutive year that we're doing this. We're going to do things a little bit differently this time around, and I want you to get ready to jump in and to begin to make the changes that you're going to need to make so that you can step into 2026 and hit the ground running. For the month of October, our key question is this: what must you leave behind in 2025 that you no longer want or need for the upcoming year? This is our month of release and refocus. We're going to start this week with a focus on health. The next week, we're going to focus on relationships. For the third week of this month, we're going to have a career focus. And for the last week of the month, we're going to focus on our communities, whatever that community is. It might be your religious organization, it might be your block association, it might be a professional organization. Wherever your people are, we're going to talk about focusing there. And then the month of November, the key question will be: what have you learned in 2025 that can help you be successful, more successful in 2026? November is going to be the month of reflection and reclamation. And once again, we're going to specialize in asking those questions for the first week of the month regarding our health, the second week of the month regarding relationships, the third week regarding our careers or our businesses, and the fourth week regarding the communities, the people that we are in community with. And then finally, December. December is going to be the month of reimagining and reinventing. And the key question for December is: what must you learn to take into 2026 so that it will be a successful year? What must you learn in terms of your health? What must you learn in terms of your relationships? What must you learn in terms of your career, your business, or your desired vocation? And what must you learn in terms of your community? Each week, we're going to have 3 tips: a communication tip, a leadership tip, and then a team tip. And this is the only sound exclusive video that I'm going to be doing. Going forward, we're going to be doing videos as I've done them in the past. But I just wanted to get you set up, ready to hit the ground running. And I invite you to join me because we're going to have a surprise. In addition to watching my videos, I'm going to host a live Zoom call every week. And we are going to take an hour, and you're going to have the opportunity to share whatever your insights have been for the week. So I look forward to seeing you as we go forward. And I am so happy that you've chosen to join this challenge. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with the communication tip for the week.